Class 8, good morning. Welcome to online class. Hope you are keeping well by the blessings of God. So today I am going to teach you social science, chapter number 3. Segment is geography. Guys, I have selected chapter 3 because in chapter 2 I have to show you some diagrams, locations, map. So when the school will reopen, then I will teach you chapter 2 so that you can understand that chapter in a very vivid manner or clearly. So today, that is why today I am going to teach you chapter 3 and the heading is minerals and power resources. Students, you open your notebook because you have to note down some important points, the definition, whatever I will tell you, accordingly you will write. So first you write chapter 3, geography, minerals and power resources. So first of all we should know that what are minerals? Where are minerals found? So the definition of minerals, in a very short, the definition of minerals you can write: the rocks on earth that have 7 materials. The rocks on earth that have 7 materials, those are called minerals. Those are called minerals. So the next question arises that how we will use those minerals. Those are found under the surface, but how we will use it, or what is the usage of these minerals? So by extraction, that means we have to extract that minerals for our use. So to extract the minerals, human resource is also required simultaneously. So until and unless we will not extract it, we cannot use in our daily life or day-to-day life. So extraction is mandatory side by side. So now let us discuss about the classification of minerals. There are 3,000 types of minerals. Those are found under the surface, or those are scattered everywhere all over the world amidst the geographical features or amidst the nature. So 3,000 types of minerals are found. So we have to understand the composition of minerals. What is the composition? Minerals, various kinds of minerals. So those minerals, those are consist of what metal, what characteristics. So the composition. Suppose my stomach is paining. So I am going to take one tablet to relieve myself or to get relief from stomach ache or stomach pain. So whatever the composition of that tablet, it will give me relief. The composition of the tablet. So as the same, what are the composition of the minerals? We have to understand. So we have to divide the minerals into 2 categories. One is metallic and the second is non-metallic. You can note down there are 2 types of compositions in minerals. One is metallic and second is non-metallic. So we have to understand that the consistency of minerals, and first we have to understand the consistency of minerals, because minerals, those are not found in one place. It is scattered everywhere. It is not centralized. So that is why in definite we cannot say that this particular mineral, it is lying here. So for that we have to detect it. How we will detect? There are 3 processes of detection. So that I am going to tell you later on. So minerals are found in various geological environment. You can write or you can hear minerals are found in various geological environment under varying conditions. Under varying condition, there are different types of conditions. Climate is also one of the aspects of that. So you can write that minerals are found in various geological environment under varying conditions. So the geographical features means some places, what are the varying conditions or what are the various kinds of features. So geographical features in all over world, everywhere we can say geographical feature or features are not same everywhere. Somewhere mountains, somewhere rocky, somewhere plateaus are there, water, seashore, ocean, plains. So there are various kinds of geological or geographical features all over the world. Those are visible, and minerals are found everywhere under these geographical or geological features. So apart from that, there is fluctuation of climate also. So climate is not same everywhere, you know very well. North Pole, South Pole is there, desert is there. So fluctuation of climate, it is also visible. But one thing you have to note that minerals or the quality of minerals